It's hard to believe that something happened more than 2,500 miles away could have an impact right here in North Carolina.
Scientists studying ice patterns in Greenland revealed a surprising discovery. Meteorologist Paul Hagan has a look at the research and what it could mean for us here in the Tar Heel State.
The ice sheets of Greenland represent some of the largest freshwater deposits in the world. That ice is melting, and it's doing it faster than scientists previously thought, which will likely lead to faster sea level rise. It's all thanks to the continued and accelerating warming of the Earth's atmosphere. The data researchers collected shows that by 2012, ice was being lost at nearly 4 times the rate that prevailed less than 10 years earlier in 2003. It's partly responsible from a natural weather phenomenon, the North Atlantic Oscillation, which brings warmer air to western Greenland, along with clearer skies and more sunshine. But that effect is building on man-made climate change to cause those unprecedented levels of melting and runoff, basically supercharging the process. So why is this a big deal? When ice floating in the ocean melts, it doesn't change the ocean level to any great extent. Imagine ice cubes melting in a glass of tea. The level stays the same. But when land ice melts, that water has a much greater impact on sea levels. It's like tipping ice cubes into an already full glass that overflows. This has serious implications for island nations that are especially vulnerable to rising sea levels, as well as coastal U.S. cities, and of course the coast of North Carolina will be impacted by rising sea levels as well. This will occur over the course of the next couple of decades, but climate change has already increased the frequency of coastal flooding, including floods just from tides. The combination of water expansion as the ocean has warmed and the melting of land ice into the oceans has driven sea level up about 7 inches since 1900. That rise is accelerating. That may not sound like very much so far, but North Carolina has the country's second highest rate of construction in at-risk flood areas. And even for those of us who don't live along the coast, there's a cost. More flooding means more insurance claims, which means higher premiums. For the CBS 17 Storm Team, I'm meteorologist Paul Hagan.